Hey everyone, so I'm going to start trimming my hair. I just blow dried it and I put it in some buns so it was out of the way. Now, this is my first time trimming my own hair, like actually trying to trim it and not look like a fool, or not doing like the search and destroy method, which is where you kind of go like into your hair and cut out each individual knot and strand, because my hair needs a trim overall, like the whole thing. And I had to cancel my hair appointment because, you know, we're not supposed to go outside. And while my hair is really important, it's not more important than my health. So I have to trim my hair. I blow dried it first because I really want to get all the dead ends. And I feel like if I were to trim it curly, sure, some of the dead ends would be gone, but not all of them, and I'm really desperate. So I guess let's start with where we are. I think at a first glance, my hair doesn't look that unhealthy. And I don't know how I'm gonna show this to you. Maybe I'll insert a picture, but my ends are terrible. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Because my strands are so thin, the curls are super tight, and manipulation, blah, 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 whatever. So here's where we're at. I'm hoping you can see. So, let's see. So my hair's like just bra strap. My bra is here. So it's just past bra strap length, and I'm sure it's gonna be much shorter afterwards. So the goal is trim my hair, have nice, like healthy ends, and then do a lot of protective styles. And one thing I wanted to clarify, when I knew I was going to be doing my hair by myself and trimming it myself, I bought a new pair of hair scissors because my old hair scissors, I've had them for probably 6 or 7 years, so I'm sure they're not very good anymore. So I got a new set of hair scissors, which I ordered on Amazon, and they are supposed to be specifically for cutting hair. The description said super sharp, so yeah, you don't want to use just any scissors you have laying around because that'll damage your ends even more. So let's get started. So of course, I'm going to start at the back. I say of course as if I have a real plan. I'm just going to, I don't know, work my way from the back up. My only concern is I don't know how I'm gonna make sure everything's even. I don't know. I am confusion. Okay, so let's, how should I do this? How should I do this? Guys, I don't know. Okay. I think I saw a few people. I watched a few tutorials, which it's nice to see other people doing it, but really I'm just cutting the ends of my hair. So in theory, it shouldn't be that hard. And yet here we are, afraid and alone in a bathroom. Okay, so here's my first section. Can you see this hair? Let me see if I can zoom in. Can you see? I think you can. So I'm just going to comb through it to detangle it a bit. I think, like, you can see the difference. So look, my hair, it starts like so, and you can kind of see it gets a little thinner and thinner, thinner all the way down. So I don't want to cut all of it, but I think I should. Okay, so let's just cut an inch. That's a lot. Let's just do it. What the hell? Actually, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna be like, just do what the hell. I'm gonna cut less. And then if I need to cut more afterwards, then I'll just cut more. Because you can always cut more hair, but you cannot stick it back on your head. Womp womp, okay? So we have that, and you could see and feel that the ends are not as nice. So I'm cutting off about, I don't know, what's that? 2 centimeters, 1 full inch? Damn, am I trying to be bald? No, that should be good. called? Oh, see, look, it's not even. Look at that. Okay, let me trim that guy. Nice. Okay, so let's compare. Compare and contrast. Oh my gosh, it's so short. No, it's not. Oh, it's hardly short. So look, can you see the difference between the two ends? This one looks like, look, I'm long, I'm trying to be cool. And this side's like, I'm confident in who I am, even though I'm not as long as I was. Yeah, okay, so I'm trying to make both sides even to each other. Okay. I think this side's longer. That's okay. No one cares. Ha ha ha. Okay, now let's see it from the back. Wait till you see it from the back. I'm nervous. Yeah. This side's longer. Oops. Let's try and do it evenly this time. It's much easier when you can see everything you're doing, as in like you're a stylist behind someone's head and you get the full perspective. I don't know. This is why I'm not a stylist. This is why I pay someone else to do it for me. This side's terrible. This side, like the ends look worse. Okay, so here is the finished look. Ooh, it's not perfect, but it's better. The ends don't look as like stringy. Let's see if I got it even close to even. It's not that bad. I think it's generally quite even. See? This side's longer. You know what I'll do? I'll do it like this. Good. Okay, so that's better. Now we're about even. So let's see. So that's from the front, and from the side, and from the back. And finally this side. Not bad. I'm just happy that I got rid of a lot of the split ends and the single strand knots because it was getting out of control. So anyway, now I think I will go ahead and style my hair.